The short-term cash flow projection is a really useful interactive tool that can help your business plan ahead. It's part of Xero Analytics and is available from the business menu or from the reports homepage. There's a free version of Analytics included in all Business Edition plans. There's also an advanced version called Analytics Plus. With the Plus version, you can project your cash flow further into the future, and the projection includes AI-predicted transactions. There's also some basic scenario planning. You're able to add your own expected transactions to see how it will affect your future cash flow. I'll be demoing the Plus version, but I'll point out those features you won't see in the basic version. So let's jump in and take a look. Choose which bank accounts to include in the projection. In this example, I have 2 accounts and I want to include them both. Choose how far ahead you want to look. The basic version lets you select up to 30 days. Here in the Plus version, I'll select 90 days. Hover over your graph to see your money coming in and out and the projected cash balance each day. View the projected breakdown to see all upcoming transactions and predictions. The basic version doesn't include predictions, so you'll just see upcoming transactions. The summary view summarizes projections by contact. This is money coming in, and this is money coming out. Click the down arrow to view all the transactions. These are repeating invoices. Xero shows the invoice due date. The projection includes money coming into your business on this day. This is a monthly prediction. It's based on past transactions. Click into a prediction to see what Xero based it on. If the prediction no longer applies, you can exclude it. The table view gives you a bit more detail, showing every transaction. Change how the projected transactions are organized. Show money in and out separately. Or organize it into days, weeks, or months. Here, I'll show it by weeks. Now I have a weekly view of my projected transactions, showing money in, money out, and the projected balance at the end of each week. At the bottom, there are some suggested actions. Because some invoices and bills are overdue, Xero doesn't know when the cash will come in or go out, so these aren't included in the above projection. But you can quickly update the expected and planned dates for your invoices and bills. Here I'll update the planned dates for my overdue bills. This won't affect my bills in any way, the due dates won't change, I'm simply letting Xero know when I'm planning to pay them. Select the bills or search. Add your planned payment date, and click Update Bills. In the Plus version, you can also add one-off amounts in the projection. Let's say I'm planning to buy a new computer. Add the details. Here the new computer will cost $3,500 and I'm planning to buy it later this month. Click Add and see how it's affected your cash flow projection. This can be a useful tool to help you find the best time to embark on a new project or investment. I hope you found this video useful. Thanks for watching.